Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today's video is going to be on the G35. So like I told you guys, so my AC is not working because the lines are broken like that when I got the car. So I got some lines, they're used lines, new to me. They're used, but theirs is not broken, so they gave me a good deal on both of them. So yeah, I want to show you guys how to take your lines off and put some new ones if you guys had to do it. Let's go. So you can see right here, line is broken. Both of them's like that, and the other side is missing from the goes on to the, oh wait, I have it. So I messed up. Anyways, I do have it. I thought I missed it, but it's under my intake. So I'm gonna take this off just so I can see everything. Intake. So what you want to do is, so you have little tabs right here. You have a tab right here, and you want to take off your little cover that's right here. Then there's a tab right here. Well, not a tab, but you take this cover off, and there's like it's a maybe a 12. Like it's a 12. You take that off, then and you take off your windshield wipers right here and right here. You can see this side right here is loose already. I can take this off. That's all you have to do. Put this back. It's all dirty right there. Look at that micro filter. Dirty too. I'll replace it too, so you can see your lines are right there. So, but I'm gonna take mine off. I want to take the pen off so it'll be more easy to get to. So I won't break nothing. So yeah. So I show you guys how to do that. Then once you do that, you just pull this up too. I just do it right now. You know, you take this grommet off. You take them off from the little things right there, your little tabs. But I'm gonna take off my intake and I come back to you guys. All right, took my intake off and I took so this is a tan, it's a tan. And to take the bolts from the windshield wipers, I think I'm using what is it? There you go. Focus 916. But I think it's a 13 or a 14. I couldn't find a 13 or 14, but I'm pretty sure it's one of those out of those two. So the windshield wipers have like these little hoses right here. I'm gonna show you. There you go. So be careful. That goes to your fluid. So how to get these wipers off? Sometimes they can be hard to get off. So what I did, I just kind of moved up and down. You see, it's getting loose. Wipers off. So now, there's a tan over there. So there's another one right there. I guess the cover's missing, but get your like this. Put your tan somewhere so you don't lose it. Don't you do all that, this should pop up. Oh wait, I didn't even see tins in my face. I didn't even see it, so I can stick off this. There's another tin. Side. So there's three. Right here, right there, and right there where I showed you guys. Now it should pop up. And there you go. Now you have access to the hoses. So what I'm gonna do is, I thought I didn't have that. I don't know why I thought I was missing that. So this one goes to the bottom. Oh wait, I'm missing something. Something is missing. Hold on. I am nothing right now. But yeah, I figured it out. But so this is the main one. This is the long, skinny one. So I'm gonna replace that because that's the one that's broken. So I'll get that, get back to you guys. All right, so I have everything off. The line off from the small line off the connector. So on you guys' cars, so sometimes cars will leave these. You see these right here? These are for so you can take off your hoses. And both sides have them, the small one and the big one. But sometimes I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try to see if I can use this, because I'm pretty sure these might be brittle, it might break. But I'm gonna try to use this one. If it works, then that's cool. If not, then I'll show you. Well, if it works, I still show you what tool that you can get to use to take these off. So let me try this and get back to you guys. All right, so you can see it's off. So that little plastic thing didn't work like I said because it's brittle and the little clips broke. So what I use this tool. You guys can get this on O'Reilly's, AutoZone, order online. You can get it though. So I use this one. 1/2 inch, I think it was. Yep. That's the size I use to get that out. And so I couldn't fit my fingers back there to push down on it. So what I did, I got this. I got this right here. And I put it behind it like this, and I just went back, went forward. Until I seen it go down, click, really made a sound when it clicked in. Did that, so now pull it out. So I'm about to pull the whole thing out and put the new one on, and I'll come back to you guys. And there you go, old one is out, working right there. All right, so when you guys pulling this out, you might think, oh, there's no room. It's room. So when you was pulling on the line to get it out, this right here went forward a little bit. So all you had to do is just get like a flat head. Like all I did was, oh, my flat head right here. I got the flat head. We're kind of on the end right here, the tip, and just push back, and it went back more in place to where it's supposed to be. And yeah, then you have enough room to pull it out. Then once you do that, you just slide it on out, and boom, there you go. I'm gonna get my other one and get back to you guys. All right, so here's a new one. So you see everything's right there, all the lines right there. So when you're doing this, when you take these lines off, you want to always replace the seals. These are brand new, got them from my job. So yeah, so next, all you gotta do is just reverse, slide it back in to where it goes, and go from there. So I won't do that. Then I should come back to you guys when I have it in. All right, there you go. Have it on. Have it routed back to the same way. Put the bracket down. Put the 10 in. Let me show you guys. It's in. So it's easy to put those in. So all you gotta do is just put them in. Grab it from right here. Snap on. You'll snap it. You'll hear it click, and it's good to go. I already put it in, but it's easy to put that back on. So now you just put everything back on. So I'm not gonna show me putting everything back on because the same thing, just going reverse. So I'm gonna hurry put this back on because I'm getting messed up by these mosquitoes. And I come back to, so you can see right here. So now take the cover off, and it goes down like this. It punches down. Before I click all the way, I think this little bit bent. It's not how it's supposed to be. I know it's either it goes from you know what, probably the other one. So I'm gonna wait, probably bend this up, look on and see how it goes, and just bend a little bit, just to kind of be careful, because you know these are real brittle. You bend them too much, they can break. So the guy got these lines for, so he just dropped off the sensor for the condenser. If a guy needed that, it goes, if you guys see my last video, I put the condenser in, it goes right there. So he just dropped this off because he had it still, and he said he still should have the one that goes right there. So he said he'd make a video, send pictures of it, of him. He said for sure he has it still. He said he'll shoot me a video just to show. But all I need is that, and AC can work. So So I'm gonna put everything back on, then I'll come back to you guys. All right, there you go. Everything's back on. So I noticed when I tear everything off, I noticed because there's, you see the rubber grommet, there's a little piece that goes right here between, but that was missing, and some clamps look like we're going to keep the clamp on the window is broken. So I'll probably just buy a whole new one, both sides, so it comes with the rubber piece from Z1. But yeah, that's how you put your AC lines on. Back where it is. I didn't connect it yet because I want to see how it fully routes, kind of bend everything back so it can sit in its right spot. But I'm gonna wait till I get the other piece like there. That one should be simple, just connects to the compressor and to that. So my last video, so remember I told you guys that I was missing the sensor. I actually threw away when I had my old one. So the guy that got the line from had it, and I got it from him. You guys can see this. Got my oil cooler set up, routing. So yeah, so now just change it out right quick. So I'll take this little cover off. Put that on. I know I didn't have a wrench, but I have a Chris wrench. I'll probably tighten that down. But yeah, I'll tighten it down. Then once I tighten it down, I'll show you guys where's it at. It's right here. I think I have it routed wrong. Let me flip it over and then I'll get back to you guys. And there you go. Have the sensor on there. So now everything's good. But yeah, that's how you put your AC lines on your G35 or 350Z. If you're replacing the whole thing, that's how you do it. So say you're replacing the big one, this big one. So you don't have to take none of this off. You can just get the tool like I showed you guys. You can take it off from right here. And pop off, boom, it come off, and you just replace this whole thing right here. You don't have to do the whole back. But if you're doing the whole back, say you need just this part, you could take it off from here and just replace this back end part. But yeah, that's how you guys do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you think about this video. And I have a part. It's already here. I have a part for the Mazda. I just haven't got to it yet, but I'm gonna make a video on that probably tomorrow. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.